Let's get it. Group leaders, let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Shouldn't take all day. Let's get it, group leaders. Come on, take off, take off, take off. As soon as you do your jumping jacks. Bleachers, bleachers. Come on, we ain't doing but 4 sets. Something simple. Let's get it, holiday time. Isn't today barbecue day? Isn't it barbecue? Let's get ready for this barbecue. Let's go, team. Come on. The race is not given to the swift. That's for sure. Come on, y'all. Come on, come on, come on. I know it's hot. Okay. 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 Almost there, team. Almost there. Go under the tree, sweetie. See the tree over there? Okay. Go and get it out the way. Get it out the way. It don't take all day to do this. Let's get it, let's get it. What's this, third set? Last set? Here we go. One group finished, other group should be coming. I calculated this carefully. Let's go, let's go. Okay, get your water. I guess you can have water, I guess. Last set jumping jacks. It's over. First quarter. There you go, hands all the way up. Teamwork makes the dream. Come on, baby, come on, come on. Come on. Almost there. Getting a little motivation now. Come on, last set of 30. Hanging there, hanging there. That last set of 30 in real quick. Drop your butt, you can't go wrong. Don't stretch out too far. Just step out, drop your butt. Technique is everything. Good. Good, good. Non-stop. Nobody in this group should stop. Come on, come on, come on. My second group, come on, get ready. Second group. As soon as you get to 40, jump back. Then jump back. Come on. Yes. Take off, take off. Go, go, go. Go. Red pole.